Early Tuesday morning, October 8th, Hurricane Milton was brushing against the northern region of the Yucatan Peninsula, bringing with it powerful winds and heavy rains as it moved on a path toward Florida. The storm's proximity to Yucatan placed the colonial-era city of Merida, home to approximately 1.2 million people, under a heightened state of alert. This area, known not only for its rich cultural history but also for its iconic Maya ruins and popular tourist destinations, such as the port city of Progreso, faced the brunt of Milton's impact. Local media broadcast videos capturing the storm's effects, showing the relentless winds battering the shoreline while water surged inland. In some clips, residents could be seen wading through rising floodwaters, and others taking refuge in local shelters set up for the emergency. The devastation stretched across much of the region, with areas already drenched from previous rainfalls now dealing with more intense weather. The Mexican Meteorological Service warned that the Yucatan Peninsula would experience intense rainfall, with estimates ranging between 75 to 150 millimeters over a short period. The storm also brought powerful winds, with speeds ranging from 112 to 124 miles per hour, causing significant concern for widespread damage to structures and infrastructure. The downpours and winds were expected to persist into the afternoon before tapering off as the hurricane moved further from the peninsula. Local authorities responded quickly by maintaining orange and yellow alerts across the affected areas, urging residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. As Hurricane Milton continued to churn through the Gulf of Mexico, the storm was expected to strengthen further, making landfall along Florida's Gulf Coast as a major hurricane. More than 1 million people in Florida were under evacuation orders, particularly in areas directly in the storm's predicted path. Emergency services and local governments in both Yucatan and Florida remained on high alert, coordinating efforts to mitigate the hurricane's potential for destruction as it advanced toward the United States.